Today I will tell you how to install this vacuum pipe. This is a long pole of a wall grinder. Here is one of our poles. But there are 3 joints. And there are 3 joints with an O-ring in this position. This joint is inserted behind the machine pole of this pole. Inserted in this way, the remaining 2 connectors are for the vacuum cleaner, a connector of the vacuum cleaner. Then let's install the vacuum tube first. There are buckles on both sides of the vacuum tube. Let's install it first. Go to the interface on the side of the pole. Just press it down and lock this buckle. After this side is locked, connect it to this end of the pole of the machine and insert it directly. It has the rubber can be fixed. Such a rubber ring will basically not fail to be pulled out. And then at the other end of the suction pipe, let's take a look at the size of the interface of the vacuum cleaner. According to a corresponding specification, a matching one, choose one of the connectors according to the specifications, and then insert it into the vacuum tube. There are also buttons and connectors here. Just press the 2 sides in. Then the whole tube will be connected. This end is directly plugged into the vacuum cleaner. And this end is connected to such a pole of the machine.